Hi, everyone. I'm Don Taylor, and tonight my guest is Jim Hewson. Jim, when did you first decide to become a broadcaster?
Don, don't you think we should just be focusing on the game?
All right. We'll have to reschedule the interview.
Delayed penalty coming up for Pittsburgh. Roosevelt is going to the box for cross-checking.
You know, taking the penalties out of hockey would be like taking the mayonnaise out of tuna salad. It's part of the game.
Stone cold by Hedberg. Chelios shoots the puck. Lemieux jumps on it. Feierst gets crushed. Lidstrom grabs the puck. Denied by Hedberg.
Oh, he's kicking him aside like an unwanted friend.
Unresolved issues?
Sadly, yes.
Laukkanen jumps on the loose puck. Kovalev. Roosevelt, wrist shot. Tanguay. Robitaille got the puck. Slager gets the shot off. Straka gets in the way. Pittsburgh puts its second line out. Shoots the puck from the corner. Sylvester. Shanahan. Medikar pushes him. He takes possession of the puck. Straka. It's one-on-one.
Sadly, the whole missing the net thing rendered that shot pretty much useless.
Fedorov corrals the puck. Fired it hard from the right. Straka stops the shot. He's with the puck. Nieminen. Donovan corrals it. Lemieux now has it. Lidstrom shoves him. Laukkanen. Joseph stones him cold.
Big deal. He could have been shucking corn and still made that save.
Hull gets shoved.
Oh, good grief. What does a guy have to do to see a decent hit in this town?
Slager shoots. Roosevelt. And they get called for icing. Baranek. Lidstrom takes control of the puck. Fedorov. Hull grabbed it. Detroit puts its third line out. Shoots the puck. Pad save by Hedberg. Baranek. Herdina stands up Brown. Maltby gets rubbed off the puck. Kovalev. He jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux scores!
If there's no such thing as a perfect goal, then I guess that last one was just a figment of my imagination.
And you know, they were looking good for a while.
Appearances can be deceptive. Time to break up.
Sylvester scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
Whoa! And who says hockey players aren't artists?
Detroit does not want to go into the locker room down by one.
The last goal proves it, Jim. They know just how tough it is to be chasing the other team for 3 periods.
Straka, great save by Joseph.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Sylvester. Robitaille grabbed the puck.
In the first period.
Straka. He gets laid out.
The sun is set on the first period, but soon the second period will dawn.
At a display beside guest services.
It's been a dynamite game so far, and I hope it continues to deliver said goods.
Me too. Let's get to it. Shanahan knocks him off the puck. Kovalev blocked. Lidstrom grabs the puck. Kovalev outmuscles him. Lemieux jumps on the loose puck. Chelios drops him.
The message he sent was one massive missive.
Hull gets the pass from Joseph. Shanahan. Fedorov. Straka has the puck. Nieminen gets checked.
That hit just knocked over the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Joseph denied him. Williams. Hecht gets the puck. Fired it. The door is shut by Hedberg.
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
Nieminen fires hard. Straka scoops up the loose puck. Nieminen fires. Detroit corrals it. Holmstrom. It's one-on-one. Fedorov shoots it. Saved by Hedberg. Pusher takes control of the puck. Joseph closed the door.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Fedorov. Duchesne picks up the puck from Joseph Slager. It seems we've got a fight on our hands, Don.
Actually, Jim, I think the guys on the ice will handle the fight. All we have to do is talk about it.
And it looks like we have our winner.
I'm pretty sure it's the guy who's still standing, Jim.
Very good, Don.
Detroit penalty to number
Tanguay.
71,
Sylvester takes the puck.
Major for fighting. Pittsburgh penalty to number
Shoots it.
74.
Delayed call against Ferentz.
5-minute major for fighting.
He gets called for cross-checking.
This player is going to spend some quality time with the timekeeper in the penalty box.
Pittsburgh will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
Robitaille gets the pass from Joseph. Tanguay fires it. Saved by Hedberg. Pusher knocked him off the puck. Shot the puck. Blocked. Falloon. Shanahan knocks the puck loose. Detroit has it now. Hull. Baranek gets a hold of it. Mowed down.
He drums up a mega hit and it rocks the arena.
Chelios shoots the puck. He scores. Top shelf.
Sends one skyward and leaves the goalie with his head in the clouds.
Detroit moves ahead with time ticking down in the second period.
What could be better than this? Watching a close game in a room with thousands of my closest friends? Okay, hundreds. Okay, I know some guys sitting in the third row. Okay, they don't like me. But there's always you, Jim, right?
Let's get back to the live action. Lemieux cranked him.
Sorry, Jim, but as far as I'm concerned, that was pure, unadulterated piffle.
Morozov gets checked. Kovalev. He gets hold of the puck. Shoots. Stoned by Joseph. Blocked.
Unfortunately, because he missed the net, I'm going to have to add a penalty stroke.
Tanguay stick save.
40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point. Hi and welcome back. It's been a fairly decent game so far, so let's get the fun started again.
Lemieux. Tanguay pushes him. Kovalev gets the puck. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Lemieux wins the draw. Blocked. Rifles it from the right. Great save by Joseph.
He's blocking pucks like there's no tomorrow.
Fedorov. He gets rubbed off the puck.
Serves him right for loitering.
Shanahan. Door slammed shut by Hedberg. Lemieux. Morozov now with the puck. He gets out-muscled. Chelios gets hold of the puck. He has a breakaway. Lidstrom shoots the puck. Primo. Moran. Slager scoops it up. Duchesne gets it. Duchesne shoots! Saved by Hedberg! Duchesne fires! Saved by Hedberg! Primo. Barry jumps on the loose puck. Moran gets laid out. Sylvester picks up the puck from Joseph Tanguay. Duchesne grabbed it. Lidstrom. Tanguay has it. Shanahan. Pittsburgh puts its second line out.
Hockey Fights Cancer Charity Drive raised over $200,000, a new record. Thank you for your generosity.
Straka. Nieminen corrals the puck. He has his pocket picked. Maltby. Dandino controls the puck. Maltby fires! Missed the net. Nieminen with the puck. Brown. Krug shoots it! It's off the post. Dandino scoops up the loose puck. Pittsburgh puts its scoring line out. Maltby takes control of the puck. Lidstrom. Shanahan has it now. Pittsburgh Hull scores!
It couldn't have been more of a masterpiece if it was signed by Da Vinci.
And they're up by 2 late in the game.
There's no excuse for anything but a win. Giving that up at this point would be an enormous meltdown.
Primo with a wrist shot.
Brendan Shanahan.
Moran with the puck.
Number 24, Chris Chelios.
Sylvester. Moran takes possession. Beach grabbed it. Robitaille runs over Blaukinen. Robitaille fires it! Kovalev jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux gets nailed! Pittsburgh is 2 goals down and is going to pull its goalie.
I endorse their strategy. It'll spice things up.
Joseph denies him.
Last minute of play in the third
Feierst
period.
takes control of the puck. Nieminen gets checked. Donovan grabs the puck. Lidstrom! It goes wide. Shanahan scoops up the loose puck. Fedorov shoots! Pittsburgh got it. Detroit puts its second line out. Beach controls the puck. Taken out. Moran gets hold of the puck. Lemieux grabs it. Stoned cold by Joseph.
He's seeing the puck, Jim. I see him seeing it.
Icing is called against Detroit. Herdina won the faceoff. Joseph stoned him cold. Lemieux. It's all over but the crying. Detroit has won it.
I've got one word for you, Jim. Defense. Defense.
Don.
Defense.
Don.
What?
I thought we had an agreement on broadcast booth conduct.
Sorry, I got carried away.